2014 Nissan Juke NISMO RS forward white pearl service performed by John Sinclair Nissan. New oil filter and 5,000 miles synthetic oil change. BG engine performance restoration. It dissolves deposits, prevents sludge buildup. BG advanced formula W/MOA stabilizes oil viscosity, sludge and varnish. BG fuel system cleaner restores vehicle performance and power. Replaced air filter, replaced in-cabin microfilter helps with allergies. New wiper blades, balance and rotate tires. AC refresh service, optional equipment navigation package. Nissan Connect with navigation. Rockford Fosgate Eco Punch premium audio system. USB interface. Odometer is 12,573 miles below market average.